So, believe it or not, there are stages to relationship breakdown. You can know if your relationship is on the way down or if your guys are doing good. So, in this video, we'll be talking about stages of relationship breakdown. Stage 1, resistance. This is where most people are. This is when you start noticing things about your friend or partner that you don't like and you are not talking about it. Here, you start criticizing your friend or your partner in your mind. That's stage 1. If that is not corrected or addressed, you move to stage 2. So stage 2 is the stage of resentment. Here, you start to ignore the person. This is when you experience internal anger, frustration, annoyance, hate. You're angry when you see the person. And this is because at this point, typically, the person will have been doing the same thing over and over and over again, and you start to become emotionally separated from this person. You know how you see your friend or your partner and you're just angry. This is the stage of resentment. That's stage 2. If things are not addressed at this point, you move to stage 3. Stage 3 is the stage of rejection. This is expressed resentment, an expression of stage 2. And at stage 3, the stage of rejection, you stop wanting to be around the person. You start avoiding the person, actually. You would antagonize and go against whatever position that person takes. You stay on the other side of whatever opinion or argument or whatever it is that that person is taking. And here you now do things mechanically just to get the person off your back so that you can have some relief. You might break up at this point if you're lucky because you've had it. If you don't, and this occurs in a lot of marriages, you get to the last stage, which is the stage of repression. Now, the stage of repression, at this point, you have stopped bothering about the person. You don't care anymore. You have repressed all your negative feelings just to maintain peace, usually because of what people will say, what the society will say, what you have to lose. You know, some people say because of the children, because of your comfort or whatever it is. You are just maintaining peace. You think it's not worth fighting for anymore. And at this stage, there's emotional numbness. Actually, you're dead to this relationship. This relationship is dead to you. The sad thing about the repression stage is people looking at you from outside actually think that everything is okay because this couple will still go out together. They'll still go visit friends. They'll still do things. They function, but the person is functioning as a robot. And that is why in some people, you hear that after 25, 30 years, 40 years of marriage, the man or the woman just packs and leaves the house. And people are like, I never saw that coming. How did it happen? That's because the person has been in this repression stage for decades, perhaps. And one day, just packed her bags. Maybe the kids are now out of university or they are now married or the person is now financially stable, which was the only thing that person was waiting for. And the person just leaves. So I'm hoping that you can address where you are in your relationship with your significant other or your friend and address whatever problems there may be and reverse. Hopefully you're not in the repression stage because at this stage, stage 4, that relationship is gone forever.